This one is for the lazy. This one is for the can't be bothered. This one is for the girls who don't have time.
From you wake up every morning, use a winner, yeah.
So you guys know this is how I love to stretch my hair, and I've been slacking on my routine a lot. I don't know when was the last time I did this. Okay, so I moisturized my hair, having my braids, and now I'm going to oil my scalp, and I haven't been doing that either. So that's gonna make sure that my hair is moisturized and my scalp is moisturized from hair onward. So I'm looking at my stash to see what oil to use, and my wild growth hair oil is almost done. So I think when this is done, I'm not gonna stock up on it again. I'm just gonna use what I have because I have a lot. I'm just gonna put that into the parts. And heads up, if you live in a cold climate right now, well, it's summer right now, but I don't know when you're gonna see this video, don't use this in the winter because it's gonna make your scalp, I don't want to say dirty, but it's gonna be hard to wash out because it has in coconut oil, and you guys know coconut oil solidifies in the winter or colder environments. So your scalp is gonna look very white and cloudy. It's literally almost done. So I can choke that into these parts, you know, and just massage that in for a little bit. Since my scalp is still wet, that's the perfect time so it can sink into my scalp. Now I'm going to put on my bonnet, and that's it for the night. Hopefully my hair is dry by tomorrow. If not, I'll just leave it in for another day. I mean, I'm on vacation, or if you're in quarantine, or if you're working from home, I mean, sis, it's okay. Just leave the braids in until they're dry. So if it's not dry by tomorrow, then I'll style the next day. But if it is, I'm gonna show you guys another hair growth hairstyle. This one is for the lazy. This one is for the can't be bothered. This one is for the girls who don't have time. That's okay, girl, I got you. Okay, so see you tomorrow or 2 days from now, but I'ma see you. Let's take it back to how I moisturized my hair, just in case any of you were interested. I just came out of the shower from washing out my deep conditioner that you guys seen me use in a previous video. If you have been keeping up, I applied a butter on my hair, and I detangled my hair with my Tangle Teezer to make sure that my hair was smooth prior to braiding, so that we would have stretched, moisturized hair. And lastly, I braided my hair up into medium-sized braids. Wore my braids for a couple days before it's time to take them out. 2 to 3 days later, exclamation mark on 3, I'm finally taking down my braids. My hair is so moisturized, so we don't have to worry about re-moisturizing. We can get straight into the style, but I'm going to go further and stretch my hair. So let me unravel all these braids first so you guys can see that we could have gotten a popping braid out. You know, every time I do this, my braid looks so popping, but no, that's not the style we're going for today, right? No, we're not. So I'm going to unravel all my braids and then put my hair into sections and detangle some more. Oh well, wait, sis went straight for the part before she went to anything else. You better, boo. So I'm going to section off my hair and detangle with my Tangle Teezer. And after I detangle each section, I'm just going to twist it up to get it out of the way. So this style requires... Ooh, did you just drop the brush? Did you guys see that? And I just played it off. So I'm going to detangle my hair, as I said, and just keep twisting it up to keep my hair down and out of the way. To further keep my hair all together, I just put a ponytail holder over my hair, and I'm going to spritz my hair with some water, and I added some gel onto my hair, mostly my edges and mostly on the parts that are going to be seen in this hairstyle. So I'm just going to smooth that gel in. Remember, I did spritz water. I'm going to brush because you want to keep the flyaways down if you have really frizzy hair like I do. And now we're going to twist, right? If you guys know your girl, this is my go-to style, especially for work, my go-to work hairstyle. It just keeps my hair off of me, out of the way, out of everyone's way, and just you know, I get things done without having to worry about styling my hair. So this is actually a great style for length retention, a great style for those of you who can't really style your hair how you want to, and a great style to just keep your hands out of your damn hair. Okay, so I just twisted that section down and I try to twist as tight as possible. Of course, the more you do this, the more neater it's going to look, because I remember the first time I did this, it wasn't as neat, right? But practice makes perfect. So you just flat twist your hair down. You can flat twist it in the opposite direction, but this is the direction I love to flat twist my hair in for the style. It just gives me that pulled back look, right? So I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. I already detangled and everything prior, and remember my hair is moisturized, so I don't have to re-moisturize again, right? So yes, boo, looking all sleek in, I don't know what to call it, right? But yeah, it's cute, it's alright, you know. And then you can apply some edge control if you want to. I just did this to show you guys that you can do it and play around with your edges if you wanted to, but you guys know if you don't know. On a good day, I usually don't because I mean, it's gonna get frizzy anyway for me as I step out the door, girl. But yeah, look how sleek the edge control made it look. So you can do that if you want to. Yes, girl. Next. Okay, sis, we have seen enough of you. Goodbye. Good morning, guys. So this is the next day, and I would show you guys how I refresh my hair today, but I have somewhere to go. Tomorrow I'll show you guys how I refresh. So this is the next day, and this is what my hair is looking like, girl. Frizzy, stale, and I'm just gonna refresh it because that's what makes this hairstyle easy to do, easy to maintain, and it's for the lazy, but it's okay. Oh hey, today is another day and we're going to refresh my hair. Yes, we are. Okay, guys, so it has been almost 2 days later, and it's not that I didn't want to show you guys what my hair looked like after I refreshed it the last time, but your girl was in a rush, so I'm going to refresh my hair again today. So today is Friday, so we're on a week strong with this lazy hairstyle. Now we're going to re-moisturize and restyle back into the same style. I think I'm gonna wash my hair either later today or tomorrow morning, but let's see what my hair looks like before I refresh. And one thing with this style, I don't have to wear a shower cap because I'm probably going to restyle it every day. That's the only thing I don't really... Okay, I said one thing I liked and then I switched and said one thing I didn't like, but I didn't elaborate on why I liked. Okay, right. So my hair can get wet in a shower, no problem, because if on that day I'm going to re-moisturize, it's okay. So we have that scenario right now. My hair is sweaty and kind of funky, but not in your face kind of funky. If you're standing that close to me, you shouldn't be anyway. So my hair got wet from my shower. I just came out the shower. My hair isn't dry and crispy, so that's a good thing, right? So now I'm just gonna respritz my hair. To refresh this style is so easy. We're gonna need some water in this spray bottle first. The water bottle is ready to be spritzed. Just gonna wake up those curls. We don't want to get the hair too wet, right? Since our hair is going to be in a protective style, you don't want to get that over moisturized hair, okay? We just want to wet it to re-moisturize those dry areas, because if you're like me and you have different hair textures all over, certain parts of your hair gets drier faster than some parts, so you want to make sure you're catering to all your strands. Okay, so I'm just pulling out all the shed hairs. If you didn't know, your hair sheds a lot day to day, and that's normal, okay? So don't beat yourself up about that. And the shed hairs usually come out really easy, no issues. Okay, so right now, as I'm speaking to you, I'm thinking about what product I'm going to use. Am I going to reuse a product that I've been using or try something new? So right now my hair is moisturize. Okay, so I don't need to use another product that has water in it. So right now I want to use a product that may seal in that moisture, so that's where I would go for a butter type product, because it's not going to make my hair too moisturized and soft and clammy. It's just going to seal in that moisture that's already there. Just gonna mostly focus that on my ends. And depending on your hair texture, you may or you may want to re-detangle. But even if my hair isn't the most detangled right now, I don't have to, because to be honest, I don't feel the need to stress my hair even more in this state, right? Because we're pushing it, you know. I want to make sure I get all the hair that's actually going to be seen. So that's this area right here. This area frizzes up the most for me, so I want to make sure we moisturize that to keep that down. Moisture is sealed in. Now I'm going to just add some gel on my edges and retwist. So when I apply the gel, I'm going to focus that on this area here as well. That's the part we want to be flat on your edges as well. Just gonna focus on those areas and smooth the product in. Smooth the product in. And if I want to add some more product on my ends, we can do that. We want to make sure that our hair is moisturized in any style. So as I'm smoothing my hair out as well, I'm taking out any more shed hairs that may come out. Now that that's done, hair is moisturized, hair is sealed, I have my styling products in, and now I'm just going to retwist. And when you're retwisting as well, you want to make sure you take your time, guys, because your hair is fragile at this point and you don't want to break your hair. So I'm taking my time and clearing out my hair if needed be, because I did not detangle my hair beforehand. And even if I did detangle my hair beforehand, I still would have tangled hair, because that's just my hair. And one thing with using a butter versus using a styling cream or a product that holds a lot of water, your hair is going to be stretched versus shrunken. Because 2 days ago when I used the Talia Wajid Apple and Aloe, the curl elixir, my hair shrunk up to like right here. But since I used a butter this time around, my hair won't shrink up as much. I'll still get some shrinkage, but not as much as it was. So that's how I refreshed my hair. So hair is looking good, feels good. So this is what the done side is looking like versus the side that you can't even tell that I have twisted my hair. See how fresh this side looks compared to this side? Like, I don't even know what's going on right here. If you don't have frizzy type hair, my hair frizzes up easily and fast, y'all. Like, styles don't usually last long in my hair because of my hair type and hair texture. So I have to continuously refresh if I want the fresh look. But if your hair stays fresh and stays looking good, you most likely won't have to refresh your whole section. You'll probably have to just refresh your edges if you want to and you want that look. But your girl has to refresh the whole thing, okay? So let's do the other side. I'm in my car. Ignore the situation in the back. If you watch my vlogs, then you know. But let's take down the scarf. Yeah, so I usually tie a scarf around my edges so that they can stay flat and not curl up and dance with each other. I'm supposed to be looking over here because I'm using my phone. Yeah, hey girl, I'm looking right at you. Okay, so let's take this off. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So this is what the hair is looking like. I've done this a little tighter. Style is neat, you know, not doing too much. It was quick and easy. I didn't have to spend too much time in my hair. If I had to go somewhere really important where I needed to be on time, I could have done this real quick, real easy. Hair is in a low maintenance style. It's not gonna be all over me, and especially if the place is hot, I'm not gonna be too hot with this hairstyle. Sometimes I would tuck it to the back and just put it in a ponytail holder to keep it off of me, because I really don't like hair on top of me, because that can also cause breakage as well when your hair is rubbing on your clothes. If I want to show off a little bit of length, then I'll leave it down. But yeah, guys, that's it. So I'll probably leave this hairstyle in for another day because I'm going to wash my hair tomorrow, and if I wanted to refresh and do it again tomorrow, I could have done that, or probably I could have just refreshed my edges. Since I used a butter, my hair would have been a lot more stretched, so I probably wouldn't have to do the whole shebang bang, but be good. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was super helpful. You don't always have to spend too much time in your natural hair. You don't always have to do the most. Okay, you can keep it simple and cute, and your hair will still grow, your hair will still be moisturized, and your hair will still flourish, right? So thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, I'm starting to sweat. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.